Today I have a soft, natural, brown, light, smoky eye look that I want to create for you. So let's get started. We begin with Milkshake, which is the lightest tone, and we are going to place this all over the eyelid using the blending brush. Next, we're going to take Chocolate Soleil, and using an eyeshadow brush, we are going to focus on the outer corner of the eyelid, patting ever so gently and going right above the crease, just focusing on the outer corner. We're going to take Brownie Nut and we're going to focus on a little bit of blending using the blending brush. I'm going to go right above where I have the Chocolate Soleil and blend that out, just swiping back and forth right above my crease. For the final shade, I'm going to use Pearl Candy, which is a beautiful shimmer, and I'm going to apply that right on the inner corner and take it all the way to meet where the Chocolate Soleil is. I'm patting ever so gently, and when it meets the Chocolate Soleil, I am going to lightly pull Chocolate Soleil into Pearl Candy and push Pearl Candy into Chocolate Soleil, and this is going to give me a really great blend where the two colors meet. Taking an eyeliner brush, I dip it in Chocolate Soleil, and I'm just going to brush that right underneath my eye to pull a little bit of that dark brown color underneath. I'm going to finish my eye look with my favorite mascara on my top lashes and on my bottom lashes. I applied my favorite lashes on top, and this is what we get. So let's finish the face. And voila, here we go, the complete look with the beautiful, soft, brown, smoky eye. Let me know what you think below and if you would like to see more videos like this.